judges of Gulu High Court Circuit, Honorable Member of Parliament for Agago County, President, District Commissioners for the 3 districts who are here, chairpersons who are here, security chiefs who are here in their various capacities, worship the chief registrar and other judicial officers who are here. I'll just say about 3 sentences in English, and then I want to speak to these court users in vernacular. To save time, we've stayed here a long time. A day like this is really important. So much of the problems we have, which create perception, arises from ignorance of what the courts do, what the police does, what the district administrators do, just ignorance. And then this ignorance we contribute because we do not go out to engage with the people we serve. That's why we in the judiciary, we create a day like this, court open day. Many people think we are going to hold court session here in the open. No, the open day simply means we talk to one another, we talk to each other, which is really the purpose. And my plea to the various administration centers, let us talk to our people. We solve a lot of problems by just talking to one another. You break the ice, you open up people's eyes, they realize that they are misunderstood, or they realize that they have been misled, they realize what their powers are. So let us have more of these meetings, not for the judicial only. 2, as I was telling the RDC of Agago, the various government centers act together, have frequent meetings. Either the chair of the district or the RDC call meetings and invite the magistrate or the judicial officer in your area to attend those meetings. People will raise those issues. They may not be able to come all the day, but when they come, people raise the answer, and then you hear less and less of these corruption things, of these judges, magistrates, or police taking money, and so on and so forth. 2 things which I need to say in English, and I'll say also in vernacular. The chapel thing, I think we have concluded. From what I'm told, everybody is speaking the same language, the RDC, the police commander for the district. They're saying the same thing. We need to solve this problem. If you play with the environment of Lake Victoria, we suffer here. Gulu and Entebbe have the highest rainfall in Uganda. This one I learned in primary school many years ago, over 50 years ago. That Gulu and Entebbe have the highest rainfall in Uganda. The one of Entebbe is Lake Victoria. The one of Gulu has nothing to do with here. The one of Gulu is evaporation from the marshland of the Sudan, southern Sudan, where River Nile disappears into huge lake-like water body. It evaporates, it's carried by the wind. Then the Congo basin, huge water body. The Congo and all its tributaries and tributaries of tributaries. So again, the evaporation comes up and they converge on West Acholi, the Gulu area. And that's why Gulu is different. Even during the dry season like this, Gulu is still different. So you can imagine if somebody destroys the marshland in Southern Sudan, if somebody destroys the Congo Basin, then the rich water, the rich rainfall in Gulu disappears. Similarly, cutting down trees in Acholi land will have devastating effect all over Uganda. So we should all be concerned. For those who have money so much, you'll never be buried with this money. I don't know why people think money is everything. This money, traditionally we actually were buried naked. Now I'm buried in my shoes and whatever. Traditionally, you leave all these things to the Dollo, people who are inheriting your wife and your property. This money is good so that we can achieve what we want, but please, not at the cost of destroying the environment, of killing people. That one we are going over there. The Karamajong issue, let me give you my experience. I was member of parliament here. It was the whole of Agago. Now it is being served by 3 members of parliament. 1995, I was State Minister, Foreign Affairs. I came home. They reported Karamajong warriors had killed the girls in Adwa. Philip Okaro is not daughter of his brother. Uriam in Adwa. Nyama Dam. So they tracked and found the footprints had entered a kraal here by Agago River, just 3 kilometers from here. But those people said, we have not seen any person, we don't know anything. They came to me. We had a very, very effective reserve force commander in Kitgum for this area. This was still under Kitgum this way. Somebody from Kabbalah, I forgot his name. Lead the body Batoro, slightly taller than me. So he came and said, Afande, you guys give me an order. This Carmelon cannot do this here. I said, do you want it in writing? He said, no, let's give you the order. I said, okay, I'm giving you the order. You go, don't kill any person. Fire in the air. I know they're going to run away. Bring all the cattle here in Patong. They went here at the river where you cross when you are going to Abin. Here. They fired overhead. Those fellows fled. The first reaction is of course, to flee. They fled, they collected all their cattle, brought them here. Prisons land here, behind this prison building. Got people to look after them. In the morning, the Carmajon came single file. Without any arms, they went to the brigade headquarters just after the airstrike. Then they've done nothing wrong, but they've taken away their cattle. They almost killed them. The fellow said, there's an Afande here who has given the order. So I met them here. There is a businessman who is called Odecha, is now the raid, in front of his building. We talked. I was now the good person. So I told them, no, we want to follow the law. So I'm going to release your cattle to you, but you know the person who has killed that poor guy who has just done prison. You know them, the 2 footprints for 2 people. You know them, you're hiding. Mom, you know, you don't know. So I asked the patient, oh, by the way, in your country, if somebody commits deliberate killing, murder, what do you do? Oh, that one has to pay compensation. I said, what do they use? Cattle. How many head of cattle? 60. So I told this reserve force commander, take your team, go with these people, let them first check if any of their cattle is missing or if it has been injured. They went, they came back about 30 minutes. It's about 1,000 head of cattle. Because we don't know all their cattle. I don't think they can count up to 1,000, but they will know this is missing, this is missing. They reported to me, here we were sitting at the tree, that all their cattle was there, no injury, no nothing. They were thanking me so much. I said, okay, now you're going to be given your cattle, because you should have seen how they were clapping. I said, wait enough a moment. Let's 60 head of cattle to compensate for the killing of that one. Papa, you know they're really good. But if you meet the Carbazon here, you'll think that Acholi is the bad person the Carbazon is unfriendly. First of all, they're really organized for us. Everybody wants to be a leader. The MP wants to speak. Even somebody deep in the village who has never been a leader, even in the Lukeme group, wants to talk instead of the MP. Part of the problem here. So I told them, no, if you don't want your cattle, I'm going to take everything. They took, this man went and selected with his brother. The brother was a veterinary extension worker. They collected 60 head of cattle, because that is the culture in Caramoja. You know what these people did? They went back to Kotido. They knew the people who had committed the killing. They went to that family and said, because we protected your children, the government took away 120 head of cattle. That all the cattle that were taken were expecting, they were pregnant, including the bulls. So that is the only way you can reach 120, because they took bulls, they took heifers. So for them to say they were all pregnant means the bulls were also pregnant. Then, in 2000, the situation was worse. The big RDC, 2000, this one you are here about the Carmoto is nothing. When you are organized, the leadership in the district, the leadership in Kampala, members of parliament, those who are in government like my sister, if you act as one, this problem will end. It will end. Our biggest problem is, as I said, you know, you can't do politics on the lives of people. Put politics aside, come together, let all people live in peace. There is time for politics. Work together, work together. I know. Work together. The President, Member of Parliament, his father, I left Batoro here around 8 p.m. We drove to reach Kilgum, we reached Kilgum. 10 in the morning, we passed through a Dilan. I had a big Land Cruiser. And I said, which soldier is willing to travel with me at night? About 6 of them. Some joined inside, some climbed up on the rake, in the carrier up. When I reached Amir, a woman who had just lost, I think, a grandchild to the Cameroon, saw me and really abused me. I think that is the woman who has loved me most. Told me in my face, so what is your use? Told me, David, if somebody tells you today what is your use, how will you react? I think you might say, this one has been sent to abuse me. But for me, I accepted, say, Mama, I agree with you. I have not, because if I've done my best, you will not be hiding in a church, crowded in a church, you will not have lost your child. I apologize in front of people. I'm saying I'm not going back to Kampala until I get all the information I want. Went back to Kampala, I told the leaders, the district leaders, to come to Kampala. They came. The chairman of C5, I'm forgetting who the RDC was. I know the Red Okolo was the district security officer. We went, I demanded to see the president. This time I was no longer a minister. I was a member of parliament. The president was not in the station, we saw the minister for the presidency, Uganda. You should have seen that memorandum signed by the Member of Parliament, signed by the LC4s, signed by LC3s, LC2s, and elders, including the priest of the time. How can government quake? The government will quake because the government serves you. If you want solid force, the government will, it will quake, it will serve you. That is its purpose. Immediately, the government sent the army commander at the time, now the Minister of Foreign Affairs, General Bagisu, to come here and find out what was happening. 2 weeks later, the president was here. We spoke here in this, what used to be the football field for the county. There were about 60,000 people displaced from their villages. You can't eat. The Member of Parliament, you see people, you realize you've not eaten the whole day. At the end, you're so tired, you just drink water and tea. So the president came. I was the one translating for him. Those people wanted to write a memorandum. I said, I am your memorandum. Spoke to the president on the podium, gave a verbal memorandum to the president. He was there sitting in the house. General Kaiwara was his military assistant, I remember. Then he came to speak. I was translating. The president says, can you give me some young men? We can train them for some 3 months. And then we deploy them against these criminal elements. Before translating, I said, sir, you don't need 3 months of training. Among these people are people who were fighting in Conakry. That's what I said here in the year 2000. All that they need are guns and commands and some refresher drill and what have you. So, oh, that's okay. That is how we created the force which was called Acholi that we are now knowing. And the Carnarvon thing ended. Went to Parliament, myself, and this fellow was MP for Soroti municipality. The businessman, what is his name? I forgot. Mokora, yes, thank you. We moved a motion in Parliament. Mokora moved. I talked about that motion for over an hour. It is there, the answers. The government disarmed Cigamoi after we came up with that parliamentary resolution. I hear you now talking of the Cigamoi are disturbing us, the Cigamoi are disturbing us. When a DPC held the brigade commander who is here, held the division commander, I met him the other time. I'm around for 1 week. And I'll be calling him and meet all of you. I'll ask the RBC to do you and we sit down and talk. The Cigamoi are not disturbing us, it's the GA. The Dodoth are not raiding any person. The Aringa people, they are the ones bordering Oron. They are not raiding. It's still the GA going to Oron. It's still the GA coming, my brother from Tuka has just been telling us. Let us not expand and lose the focus. The government should know what is disturbing people here is just a village. One village disturbing 3 districts. This is unacceptable. The problem is deadly, but it's not big. The Bokora people, they're not raiding. I've not heard the people of Iteso complaining unless I missed. The Matanico, they don't raid. But that one I'll speak when we meet. I'm around for 1 week, we'll speak about this. That if you are united, if you speak one voice, if you leave politics out of what destroys our people, it's not a big problem. We went through a much bigger problem with the Cigamoi than this one. So allow me now to speak to these people in vernacular, the reasons why we are gathered here. They have faith. I've seen you have a good team of leaders. We will meet and talk.